Okay, so what we've got set up so far is I have the aquarium pump set up. It's kind of loosely plugged into this whole thing. And the laser tube is in here. So the cathode is connected up, the anode is connected up down there. And the flow sensor is in line here, and dripping. There we go. All right, so we can turn it on, turn the laser on, and you can see that the anode is connected there, and it's the cathode. Anyway. If I do a pulse, it lights. So, yay. So it's definitely not aligned. It's only in here very loosely. I just put it on those plastic supports to test it out. But all of the components are functional. So water protect is working as intended. The laser's firing. All of that's working. I still have to connect up the fan and make that work properly, but in principle, everything is operational. So I think we have a semi-operational. The fan is wired up. We still need to clean up all the wiring. The fan is wired up, and the water protect is a little bit better set up. I still don't know if this looks right. It's really going to depend on how the tube functions. And the anode and cathode need to get put on there correctly, not the sort of wonky way I have it right now. But until I know where the tube needs to be placed, I wasn't sure if this was enough or not. So anyway, it's on there. The water protect works as expected. Everything is watertight at this point, so no leaks or anything. There's clamps on most of the connectors, and everything can be run as is, and the fan's running as you would expect. So right now it is in a state where, you know, we can do any kind of preliminary testing that we want to do. My next step here is to clean up the wiring, but if somebody wants to work on the laser tube while, you know, in between, it's ready for someone to work on the laser tube at this point. And since I don't have any experience with that, I'm not really sure how to, well, I don't have experience with that with the CO2 laser, so I'm not really sure how to go about that. So